So today I'm over here at 4th Street Garden, and I'm just checking out stuff, but I actually have the intention of harvesting some potatoes. Now I had thought that all of my potatoes were ready, but these over here are not fully dead. There's some that are still green. So I'm probably going to leave that for now, but I'm over here. I don't know, I may pull it up anyway, but over here is a bed with some potatoes. And these have died down like more than a month ago, maybe. Not more than a month. I want to say middle of July. It's now August the 8th. And anyway, it's all grown over, but needless to say, once I dig out the potatoes, that won't be a problem. Meanwhile, I got these cabbages over here. They've been growing the whole season, and they're not really doing tremendously well because the soil is kind of poor on this side. But nevertheless, they're doing something. This one looks fairly large, and that head is actually pretty solid, so maybe I'll pick that in a few days. But that's the only one that really looks good. Anyway, I also had some tomatoes planted back there. They barely got to any size, and I don't expect much of a yield. Some of them don't even have flowers on them. It's kind of sad. I also threw some beans down there, some bush beans. I think they're pink beans that I got from the supermarket. Some of them, I see some beans in there here and there, but I don't know if they yielded anything. Anyway, and the corn over here, this is I think field corn, I don't know, I'm not really sure. Some kind of dry corn. Anyway, I don't know what to say. Anyway, this poor corn bed has been shaded out by this mulberry tree. Shaded out, and the rain doesn't really reach it because the canopy on this tree is too dense for the water to really reach down, not unless it's a really good torrential rain. So most of the time when I come out here, this stand is kind of wilted and dry. But anyway, it rained for a couple good solid days this week, and so I guess the soil was able to get soaked well enough, so everything looks pretty nice today. But like you saw, everything is just weeded over, grown over. It's a little bit overwhelming, but I'm just gonna try and get this one bed pulled so that I can see the fruits of my labor and get excited, and maybe be more incentive to take care of this and the other side. I have stuff on the other side, just right over. This is one bed, and my other plot is on the other side of this person's plot. So anyway, I'm gonna try and get some stuff done, and hopefully I won't run out of steam too quickly. Alright, here we go. used some tiny baby potatoes that are way too small for cooking, and they're actually kind of too small for planting. But what else can you do? I'm just gonna take them and I'm gonna put them back. As I was digging them up and they were this small, I would just throw them back because it's just, you can't really do anything with them. But being this small, it's now August. I'll have September and probably October to grow a little bit, and then they'll be fairly decent size by springtime, and they'll be starting to grow as soon as the soil warms up, and we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to throw these back in. Now I know that I promised that I was probably not going to come back here next year, but I don't know. I guess the jury's still out with that. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. I'm probably, I don't know. I don't want to promise yes or no. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm just going to dig these back in and hopefully